So WorkSafe has the three rights for workers. There's the right to know. So that's the right to know what the hazards are and what's being done to control them. They have the right to participate in both a safe work environment and creating that safe work environment. And they have the right to refuse unsafe work. So what we've done with SALUS, it's been very easy to target, especially the first two. So with the right to know, we have the ability to take any inspection or form we've created in SALUS and set who can access it. So currently within Caliber, every Caliber employee can pull up the safety inspections, safety audits, and reports for the site. So they can see what's going on, what's being found out, how it's being dealt with, and how it's being addressed. It also gives them the opportunity to call the safety officer and go, hey, here's something you need to look at, and it can be added to that form. So with the ability in SALUS to set permissions to view things, you can really make sure that everyone in your company has access to that. Everyone has the right to know the safety procedures around chemical exposures. Through the documents tool, we've been able to create a folder that we can set as accessible to all sites and workers, where you can pull up the safety data sheet for any chemical that's on one of our sites from the SALUS app. So every worker can just go boom, bang, it's right here. I've got it at my fingertips. So it removes the need to keep a paper copy in the office, and if something goes wrong, we have to go find it. So that really, really helps with the right to know. The other thing we've done is we've put all of our safe work procedures and safe job practices onto that documents folder as well. So anyone doing any task on a Caliber site can pull up a safe work procedure for that and follow it or review it. They don't have to go looking for people. So especially if you have workers who are maybe embarrassed, or they don't want to ask, or they don't want to look like they don't know what they're doing, if they're uncomfortable talking to someone, they can just pull it up and look themselves. And then as far as the right to participate goes, everyone has SALUS access. So when people are doing their daily FLHAs, they can pull it up, go through the whole form, submit it, get feedback from their supervisor and from the CSO. The supervisors all have the ability to spot check and participate in the education and training of workers, as well as just making sure they're being safe. We've also created a near miss and minor incident report where any worker can fill in a near miss form to say, hey, this just happened, I was here, attach a picture of it to prove it happened, and then submit that to the CSO. So rather than having to do a big hassle where you have to stop your work, go find the safety officer, bring them back, show them, talk to them, you can just quickly fill it in. So all of these things just really help with targeting those rights. And SALUS is really allowing us to kind of make that the focal point of our entire safety program. So it's not just about compliance, it's about making sure that everyone can participate in their own safety as much as possible. It's giving them tools.